MiKayla here, and welcome back to my channel this week. And today's video is going to be my room tour. I have been wanting to do this since we moved back in November, and I'm finally all done with my room. So I'm finally going to show you guys, and it's going to be exciting. As you can tell, my room is obviously pink from the background. I'm so excited to show you guys my room tour. And before we get into the room tour though, if you guys have not already, you should hit that red subscribe button down below. It's either over here or it's over here. Pretty sure it's right here. I think it's right here. But you should definitely hit that subscribe button if you have not already, so you can join this little family we got going on here. Also, you should hit that bell button right next to the subscribe button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And if you also have not already, follow me on Twitter. I would greatly appreciate it if you did. The link is right down below, and I will also put my username right here on the screen for you guys so you guys can easily find me. So, without further ado, let's get on into this room tour, shall we? Okay guys, so the first thing you see when entering my room is my door. And I just have this wreath on it that I keep on all year long just because it's like pink and white and it's really pretty. And then I just have my sign that my grandma made me. It says MiKayla's room, please knock. And that's my front door. So let's just open it up. And this is my room. So first I'll just give you a little bit of an overview. Alright, so that's the overview. So we're just going to start right here along the door. So here's my door. We're just going to start right here. So first off, I have my fan because I can't sleep without a fan. I need noise on when I sleep. It's a thing. So, and then right over here we have my dresser. And if you remember this dresser from my old house, I took the mirror off of it so I could put it in front of this window here that I have. So that's why it looks a little different. It's the same dresser, I just don't have the mirror on it right now. And so first off, my lens cap, ignore that. So right here I just have my mini humidifier. I put tape over this because it leaves off a very bright light that I cannot stand because it is very bright. And so this is just my mini humidifier because it gets kind of dry in here at night. And it's necessary. And then right over here I have my jewelry box. It's very dusty, very dirty. And so you open it up and there's just like a bunch of random stuff in here. I've got some earrings right there. And then in here I have some hair stuff. And then in the back of this I just have some of my favorite perfumes and body mists. I have this one, Vera Wang Princess. I love this thing so much. And then I have this one from Mary Kay. This is from Bath and Body Works and it's pink chiffon. And then these two are Justin Bieber perfumes. This one is Girlfriend and this one is Someday. And then I've got this candle right over here next to it, and this is the candle Autumn and it's from Bath and Body Works. And then I just have this picture of me and my cousin from when we went to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. That was a lot of fun, and it was a blast, and yeah. So here's my dresser, once again, and then we got a window that shows the porch. It's not an exciting window, but I like it. Gives me light. And then right next to my dresser, I just have this bookshelf type thing, and I have my TV playing. It's on mute right now, but yes, I'm watching Victorious. Hashtag throwback. So this is what this looks like. I'm not going to go into a full depth thing, but I have some stuffed animals, my camera bag, a basket full of literally junk. And I have my stereo with some CDs on the side and some other random stuff. And then I have my TV with other random stuff on the shelf. And then up here I have these CDs and movies. Is literally all Justin Bieber stuff because #obsessed when I was a young teen. And then I have some pictures of my family and friends, and then a little turtle in the back. And then I have my speakers, some fedoras up there, a laugh out loud sign. And then just around this thing I have some star lights. I used to have purple lights too, but they stopped working. I don't know. Yeah, but I like it. And I just have my piggy bank. My grandma gave it to me. It's Coca-Cola. And then I have my boot slippers that I absolutely love. And then next to that, you can see my camera stand. And we have a full-length mirror. Hi, that's me. Full-length mirror. I love this thing. And then this is my heater because, believe it or not, my room gets absolutely cold in the winter. Then I got a trash can, and then I got my makeup vanity, and I love this thing. I love where this is at because look at this view. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous view. My window is huge, by the way. Let me back up so you can see this window. It's probably very backlit, but it's a very big window. But I do have a makeup collection. It hasn't really changed since I filmed that, so hi, me again. So go check that out if you want to see what my makeup collection is, because I'm not going to go into too much depth of this thing, but that's my makeup vanity. It's just a regular desk that I turned into my makeup vanity, but I have a gorgeous view for when I'm putting makeup on. And then over here in this corner, I've got my calendar that I love to have. That's me and my horse named Tucker in Hawaii. And it's just, my mom makes this for me every year, so she just puts like pictures on like yeah. It's a cool calendar. And then over here I just have this hook thing that I place my purse on. And then that thing right there, I'm not going to show it too much, but that thing is a tribute to my grandpa. He was like my best friend. But then I have this little chair, which you've seen before, but I put that in this corner. I think this corner is just so cute. The aesthetic of this is just absolutely cute, but I love it so much. And then I've got my lamp, which used to be lighting for my vanity in the old house, but now it's right next to my bed. So there's that. And then the wall above my bed looks like this. I love this wall so much. And just my bed. And then at the foot of my bed, this is my dog's kennel, so yeah. So we got my bed. And then these pictures are all from Hobby Lobby, if you were wondering. So I got this one. It's just like a abstract artwork type of thing. Then I have this canvas picture, which just has a top of a pineapple on it. And then that one, which says love. And that one that says love actually fell on me in the middle of the night once, and it could have killed me. So make sure, if you want to hang pictures above your bed, make sure they are securely hung up there so they don't fall on you in the middle of the night. But next to my bed, I have my nightstand, which is just, it has a crap load of stuff, but it is everything that I need to survive the night. So I pretty much have my alarm clock, my phone charger. I've got some princess coasters on there, which I got from like a long time ago. But I've got like my remote for my heater, my TV remote, my hair tie, tissues, my remote for my fan, my glasses case, my retainer, my remote for my lights that are on in my room. And then I have my medication, I have an essential oil, I have my chapstick, I have my heated blanket, I have 2 stuffed animals. It's all just like the bare necessities. And then down here I've just got pictures and stuff and a book and so many other things. So, yeah. And then right next to that across my bed is just my closet, and I can totally do a closet tour if you want. But I have this closet door, and then right over here, oh, in the middle of my 2 closet doors I have a sign. It says MiKayla. It's like a poem that my grandma gave me. I like it a lot. And then I have another closet. It's one big closet with 2 doors. So that's just what it looks like. I keep these doors open during the day and I close them at night because it's just a hassle to, like, you know, open one door and then have to open the other door and then have to close them. So I just keep them open during the day, so if I need anything, it's just already open. But yeah, I can totally do a closet tour if you guys want. I don't know how much you guys like those things, but I can definitely do one for you if you want, and how I organize my closet. But I definitely think I like this closet better than my old closet, even though my old closet was a walk-in closet. But it's whatever. I just think this closet looks much more organized than my other closet did, so there's that. And then we're back to my front door. And as you can tell, I have some Christmas lights wrapped around my door because I love lights hung up. I just love it. It's so comfortable to just lay in the dark with some lights on. It's absolutely amazing. So, one quick last overview. So yeah, that concludes my room tour. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that room tour and that video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and question of the day is, what color is your room? I am very curious. Obviously my room is pink, everything is pink. Yeah, I like pink, obviously. I'm wearing pink today. But I hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said, if you did, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you have not done so already, and I will talk to you guys in my video next week. Bye!